I'ma be a bitch for life. If they try you, they got to die. Baby, put one in the sky. When we got that kingdom.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, my name is Lena, and this beautiful little thing right here is my little annoying sister. Her name is Natalia.
Yeah,
so
so
Hispanic.
Natty.
So I call her Natty,
Call me Natty.
and other things that we can't discuss. Okay, so the day of today, we are going to be doing a sister tag. So basically, we're going to
Q&A. It's a
do
Q&A.
a Q&A, and she has to answer what she thinks is the correct answer for me, and vice versa. My sister-in-law is going to be reading us the questions and see how much we know about each other. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Mom, Alright, first question is,
What's your favorite cocktail?
I would say yours is the margaritas.
I like margaritas and mojitos, but I don't know, I can pick.
Which one's mine, dummy?
Yours, margarita?
Yes.
What kind?
It doesn't matter the flavor.
With alcohol.
As long as I got liquor.
What's the worst thing you've ever done to each other?
Do I say what Lena has done to me?
Yes.
Okay. Well, when I was little, she pushed me.
No, the worst thing you've done to me.
To you,
I have one. So when she was little, we were in like this ranch in Colombia, and I saw the geese coming, running to bite me, and I was just taking her for a walk. So I decided to throw her to the geese, and I just ran away.
she pushed me against them.
And all I saw was her running away from the geese, like all over, and the geese in back of her.
Did they bite you?
I think so. The worst thing I've done to you, I've never done anything bad to you, but bent your phone. I put it under the couch, and this is the couch.
I'm pretty sure
and I
she's
just
done
went like
that
that.
shit.
Besides reading your stuff and going on through your stuff, I don't think anything worse.
You used to charge me just so you wouldn't say I have a.
Well, that's sister things. I had to charge it. That was my job as a sister. Next.
She used to
What three
charge
common
me.
things?
Wait, she used to charge me so she wouldn't tell my grandma that I was talking to somebody.
Or that she would go anywhere.
Yeah.
I think I know what's up.
What three common things are common between you and your sister?
Like, what do we have in common?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll say three things and you say.
I say it first.
Okay.
We like makeup. We like going shopping. I think everyone likes that, but I mean, we really like it. When we get mad, like 100% mad. Everything is 100%. Like, if she's mad, she's gonna get 100% mad. If she's sad, she's gonna be 100% sad. Like,
Okay. Three things we have in common. Besides those, no one can fuck with our family. Only us.
That's
like
right.
we're the only ones that can fuck with our family.
But
if you
your
fuck with
family-
our family, you're dead. What's the other one? We're super extra. I think you're
Anything.
a little bit more. I think she's a little bit more.
I don't know, sometimes you act like you're more extra.
I don't know. Everybody says that they don't know exactly which one's more extra.
It depends on the day.
And whenever we go out, we have to be on point. There is no like comfortable. Like we have to be.
It's either we look ugly or like we're like extra. That's it.
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
So your favorite food?
Oh, I love food. I love every type of food. I can't.
I think you
choose.
like Mexican more. Well, wait.
Mexican and Dominican.
Okay, what's my favorite time? If you don't know this, you are seriously not my sister.
Your favorite food? It can't be Chinese food, right?
No.
Spanish food in general?
No.
What is your favorite food, Lina? Italian?
No.
Damn.
No.
Wait. What? Give me a hint.
It's Mexican, Natalia.
Oh, okay.
Freaking Mexican. Okay.
I mean, it's like you haven't ate Mexican like that in a while. Last time we ate was Christmas.
Natalia, I eat my breakfast eggs with tortillas.
Yeah,
I
she
make
likes
them into a
Mexican food. I
burrito.
didn't think it would be such a big deal though, but she does.
What's something you don't like about each other?
What was it?
What's something you don't like about each other?
She has a nasty attitude. She has like not an in-between attitude. Like when she's nasty, she's nasty. She likes grabbing your shit, but she doesn't like you grabbing her shit.
First of all, you grab my shit, so.
Yeah, no I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I
Whose
don't.
blush is it?
What blush? I don't have a blush. This is natural. You see?
Okay, yeah.
Alright, go.
I don't like when she's mean, like, and she's just like, I don't know, like she forgets I'm her sister. Like, I'm like, yo, relax, like we're siblings. That's it.
You think I'm mean?
Yes, when you're mean, and I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna leave her alone. I'm not gonna deal with her.
I would not have my life.
Out of the both of you, who has the best sense of humor?
Can you even deny it?
She is. She's the
Hilarious.
funniest one. I'm the stricter one.
What's the craziest thing your sister has ever done?
Didn't we answer that?
No.
Oh, Lena, you go first. I have a lot.
You have so many. Okay, so I'm not gonna get too personal.
Yeah, because we get personal. No.
I'm not gonna get personal. I'll say that one of the craziest things she has done.
One of them.
I feel like she's been evil since little. So I remember you were like in what, like
Lena, I don't
sixth
like
grade?
this. I don't like
Were you in
this.
sixth
Whatever
grade?
we're doing.
Well, it turns out she was failing her classes, and she decided to try to be slick and
fake them.
and fake her notes. So, but the way she did it, so she grabbed the report card and she put white out on like the bad class, on the ones that she had failed, and then with pen she writes over it,
and then I
and
told
tells
my mom,
my dad and my mom
that
the teacher had changed the grade at last minute,
yeah.
because they had not graded the last part of the job that you had to turn in.
Yeah, and then I was like, my mom was like, oh, I'm gonna go to school and make sure that you're not lying, da da da. But my mom already knew I was lying, because I mean, who puts white out on? And then she was just like, I was like, no, mommy, please don't go, and whatever, I got caught.
Or the time that at the same age, same.
I already had one thing.
Wait.
You're here.
She said she was gonna go study. Remember?
Oh, and then I went to this
Carnival,
a fair,
like a fair.
and then my brother, he knew somebody, his friend
Snitched on you.
and he's like, your sister is here. And then my brother, since he's so corny, he goes and he told my mom, and then I got the whooping of the year.
She did. And my mom does not whoop us, but she got whooped.
Yeah, she doesn't like to whoop us, but.
And then after the whooping, she shows my mom and she's like, hey, well, you know, I met this person and we took a picture. But she was a famous person.
Somebody famous, like someone like from a novela, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was like, she was like, okay, whatever.
She was just proud.
One worst thing that you've done?
Crazy.
The crazy?
I haven't done that many crazy things.
No, Lina's been really like a boring. She's always been boring her entire life. It's
I've
always
been obedient.
She's never done anything wild. I can't. I don't have an answer for this.
Skip. I have done crazy things. It's just we can't get personal.
Yeah. Nothing I could tell. Skip. Next.
He's such a good girl.
How old are you?
20.
I turned 25.
She's lying. She's.
No, I'm not. Okay, I am not 30. I turned 25 and I still can't.
Do you ever argue?
All the time.
Oh, we don't really argue. When do we argue?
I feel
Like whenever we're missing something or whenever like I leave something in her room, she gets really mad.
I feel we get annoyed all the
Yeah, we get annoyed, but we don't argue. Like we just give each other a space.
We argue, but
I don't know. I haven't argued with you in a long time.
like
Like we fought, but we haven't done it in a while.
yeah.
And it's been, I don't know.
Like if we argue, we'll just like be at the moment, and then like we'll be like,
Forget
hey,
about it.
where do you have this or something?
Yeah, we get over it.
Pants or dresses?
Is it a
Dresses.
question? Dresses. Yeah. I thought it was a question for like, well, no. Like two, yeah.
Dresses.
Dresses for sure.
MAC, Sephora, or Ulta?
You? Sephora.
Use Sephora.
Yeah. Birth control!
One moment.
Ready.
The last text you sent.
Why didn't I
You better not go to second to last or whatever you guys are gonna do right now.
Okay, let me see.
No,
Does
I
it
did.
count
This
as
is the
DM?
last.
Like,
No.
it has to be text message?
Okay, I got mine.
Oh my god, because I really don't have.
The last one I said, I don't know. I guess he felt we left him. That's it.
I don't understand what I said. Oh, okay. It was at the gym. We were at the gym, and I was at the. I think I was. Oh, I was laying down on the hydro massage bed,
Yeah.
and I just texted Lena saying, "Come do this, and I'll do the chair," because she was doing the chair. So yeah, last one was Lena. You can even see it now.
Yeah. Mine was my husband, and we were talking about my 2-year-old that just started school. So, not much interesting going on.
Who takes the longest to get ready?
Lena.
Both.
Depends, cause usually like
I feel like we both do. I think we both take the same
I
amount
think we
of time.
do. Yeah. I think Lena takes a little longer than me.
Well, I
I'll take 5
sometimes,
minutes
like,
longer.
5 to 10 minutes because I mostly do eyeshadow. She doesn't
I don't
really.
really. I just do my.
And if she does shadow, it's probably like
I
one
do
shade.
it's probably the first thing I do before I do anything else.
No, me too. But like I go like in with it, and she likes more of a natural look.
But I need
go more
eyelashes.
for colors.
Yeah.
Oh, hold up.
Are you both easygoing people?
No.
I was gonna say yes.
No, we're not. She's lying.
I'm not easygoing.
No. Lena is really complicated. So am I.
I think to a
When I don't like
point,
something,
I'm
I don't like
easygoing.
something.
To a point, I'm easygoing. Like I could have a bitch face.
I wish I could record my sister-in-law right now. She's like shh.
No, like I could have a bitch face, but if you come up to me, I'm like I'll talk and like be nice. I would. I make a lot of friends when I like go out like to talk. Like not friends like give me your phone number, but
then she doesn't want to talk to them anymore. So it's like
people
oh,
annoy
okay,
me.
it was just for the moment. She's not
Okay,
easy
so
on
no,
purpose.
we're not easygoing.
We're not.
Something I learned something about myself.
What is one thing you can't live without?
Not that I care. You could say it. I don't have to answer Lena's. Okay. One thing Lena cannot live without. One thing. It has to be one thing.
Yeah, but doesn't like obviously like
Not your kids, right?
yeah or like family or anything like that. Like an
It's a
item,
thing.
like a thing. I
A
can't
thing?
live without.
Eyelashes. Makeup. Your phone? No, you can live without your phone. What is one thing you cannot live without?
I hope that's in the video.
It is.
One thing you cannot live without?
What?
Your husband? No, I mean that doesn't count.
Nah.
I don't have anything in mind. Your bed? I don't have anything.
I can do it on my bed.
Did you hear this?
I mean, I have, so like. What do you think it is?
For you.
Oh, I thought you knew it. She over there acting like she knows it.
Flip the camera and see her face.
Sis.
She don't know. Sis
Okay,
don't know.
Alright, listen, I really don't know. I would say it would be makeup.
That's what I said.
No, but one thing. One thing, literally, one item. One thing.
You can live without your heart. I don't know. I give up, Lena.
I think you wouldn't be able to live without your lashes.
I think my pillowcase is more important.
Oh yeah, her pillowcase.
I think I cannot live without my
That's
pillowcase.
right. Mine is an eyeliner.
I said makeup.
But that's not, that's why I said.
Well, that's true. She really likes
That's
eyeliner
true,
more
she
than
really does
eyelashes.
like
Like, I could not, like, my face could be bare, like.
But she needs eyeliner.
But she
I
needs-
just
yeah,
need
eyeliner.
eyeliner.
Alright, guys. This was it for today.
Alright.
Alright. This was it for today.
Alright, guys, so I hope you like this video.
Subscribe, like, follow me.
Alright.
Deuces. I love that.
Subscribe, like, follow us on Instagram. It will be down here. Somewhere.
Out there. Wherever it is.
Down somewhere here. It will be somewhere here. And turn on your little notification bell. So whenever we post a video, you guys get notified. Deuces.